Alright, so in this video I have a quad unboxing from Hibbett Sports and the awesome package from Sneakers and Stuff right over here that I cannot wait to show you guys as well. Let's go ahead and get into the video. What is going on, guys? Hes here, CollectiveKicks.com. If you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals, check the link in the description, and happy shopping. Today I got a crazy quad unboxing from Hibbett Sports, and then I also got my Sneakers and Stuff box over here that I've been anticipating, and you guys are going to be excited to see. But basically, we'll start off with the Hibbett Sports stuff first, because they ended up sending a bunch of stuff over. I was going to unbox this actually with the family, because a lot of it is family oriented, but unfortunately, little Maddie has an ear infection right now, and then Harrison has a nasal infection. And then my wife actually has pneumonia, like of all things. So it's just crazy. I've been under the weather for like the last 3 or 4 weeks as well, just up and down. I got to go in and get checked out too. But man, it's been crazy around the house. It's been real tough. But so that's why we didn't do a family unboxing. I started to try to do one, but it just didn't really work out. So because of that, here we go. I'm going to show you guys what we ended up getting from Hibbett Sports. If you guys haven't shopped at Hibbett Sports yet, I'd advise you guys to go check them out. Online retailer space is really cool. They have a nice release calendar full of upcoming sneakers that are releasing, but also they do have an app which is really helpful, and they do raffles for in-demand products that end up coming and going, and they have over 1,000 retail stores nationwide. This is the first thing that they sent though, and you can see they have the Nike Little Posit Pros, and this is for the little baby Maddie. So check these out, dude. Little Foamposites, and they have the green and then hits of orange on them and black. And check out the little booty things on the bottom. Like, this is too cool. So these are little crib shoes. Actually, we had a pair of Foamposite crib shoes for Harrison as well, and I believe we still have them. So these are going to go into the collection with Maddie. So this is a really dope package, and especially since Hibbett Sports is looking out for just not myself but the family as well. It is much appreciated. So this is the first one. Second one is in here. You can see a little dude box, and it is a Nike sportswear box, and you get the same thing but bigger. So this is Harrison's 10C already. He's actually a 9C right now, so he's going to grow into these ones. And here is a bigger pair of the Foamposite Pros in that Sequoia and black team orange colorway. Super dope colorway, by the way. And the Foamposites, to me, if you guys didn't know, I'm a huge, massive Foamposite head. In fact, Foamposites are one of the main reasons why I love sneakers today. The penny Foamposites and the royal blue colorway are really what started me down this trend of loving sneakers the way I do today. So this is 1, 2 pairs, and I'll save this one for just a second because I'm pretty sure you guys could guess that this is Papa Hess's pair right here. And so this is the men's version in my size, 9.5 Foamposite Pro in the Sequoia and team orange colorway. And man, this colorway is super dope. So they had a forest green back in the day, and this actually kind of has that sort of vibe to it because of the green. It's kind of an iridescent green in a sense. Then you have a matte black Foamposite swoosh right here, and then carbon fiber on the side as it wraps around to the other side. You have a black outsole with that team orange swoosh on the bottom with little Sequoia hits of the pods. And then you have a team orange swoosh here, and then 2 stripes down the middle with the air, as well as the lace tips and Foamposite on the back in the orange outline of the swoosh in the team orange. I love the execution of the shoe. It's kind of military-esque with the green, and then you have the orange on it. It's just a really clean, simple looking colorway. But thank you, Hibbett Sports, for sending some love to the family. It is always appreciated, and Harrison loves getting new shoes here and there. So awesome package there. And then another random bonus one that they ended up sending. They sent another pair of the Legacy 312s, but this is arguably one of the best colorways to release of the Legacy 312 in the Laker colorway. You can see the hits of yellow on the midsole as well as on the bottom with the Jordan logo and the little thumbprint traction up at the very front of the shoe. And then you have purple tongue with the Air Jordan 1 tongue, and then purple liner, and then you have that purple swoosh as well as the Nike across the strap in purple. But this is a well-executed shoe. In my opinion, it looks really clean. I love that they did a lighter elephant print even on this just to tie everything in. And this is in just like a subtle gray color. I think that this is just a really nice color combination. Again, especially if you're a Lakers fan. I'm sure there's a lot more Laker fans this year because of LeBron. And so this is just one of those colorways that pop out this year because of all of the talk for the Lakers, in my opinion. But dope colorway nonetheless. Really, really crazy packages and just some random stuff that Hibbett Sports ends up sending over my way. I had no idea what they were sending, so it's always fun to get some surprise bonus gifts sent to the house. Again, check out Hibbett Sports in the description if you guys haven't seen them already. It's worth going there and actually taking a look. This is the other package that I ended up getting. You guys already know what this is, and there is a little bit of a window right here, actually, which is kind of cool. So my actual pair did not have this on it, but this one does, and we'll take a look and show you. Some people are going to be like, dude, what the heck? I just saw you unbox a pair of these. And that is true. I did unbox a pair of these, and it was for the most expensive pair of sneakers that I've ever bought video. I got these ones from ComplexCon for $204 shipped, which is absolutely insane. But this one is not my size. So throwing this out there, showing you guys the box. The only ones that they had available when I tried to buy these was an 11.5. It is literally the only size that popped up on day 2 of ComplexCon. Day 1 they had a full size run, I guess, and other people scored some of those ones. But day 2, this is the only size, and here we go. So I did end up getting the second pair. Since it's right here, I'm going to pull out the other pair. If you guys have not paid attention to the channel, the next most expensive shoe to this one that I bought was the Cause 4s in the black colorway. I actually paid $1,000 for those ones. And before that, it was the Oregon State 9s, and then the Dornbecker 6s as well. All of those ones cost me over $700 to $1,000, but this one cost me $1,400. So now you will notice as well, like this is actually different than this one, and a lot of people think that these are fakes or something like that, but these ones are actually samples, and it has a couple of things that are different. If you guys actually want a full, super detailed video of the comparison, like I did with the Tokyo 5s with Seth Fowler, I could do something like that, but this is definitely the craziest thing. It's a gray Wings logo. And then just throwing this out there as well, this Nike swoosh, I didn't realize this is different either. It's a Nike Air in red. And then the retail pair that I got from Sneakers and Stuff has orange. So like this is a cool difference as well. So this is definitely a special pair that I got here. And this retail pair was an awesome pickup for me to be able to get for being able to basically pay down these ones and get these ones for free. So that is what I'm going to be doing with them. Open market on these are like $2,200, so it's just insane right now. And so $1,400 paid for these ones was, in my opinion, like a great buy. And I appreciate the homie for helping me out and not charging me too much, because if you guys didn't see that video, I actually should have got these for free because I passed up a DJ gig to be able to actually get these for free. I didn't know it was part of the deal. And when I found out that what the payment was after the fact, I was just so hurt. I was like, I can't believe I turned down that gig. Such a big mistake. But these are the samples that I got. Sneakers and Stuff ones that I ended up getting. They came with all of the laces as well from the box, if you guys didn't see. And just so you guys can see the box, it's Air Jordan 1X Off-White NRG, and then the white color on it, 11.5 on the box. And the box on my pair is actually different than this one too, because this one has the window on the top, which is really dope, as you can see. My pair doesn't have that because it's a sample box. And then also in the inside, it doesn't have any of this stuff. So you have the divider paper, and then you have the off-white print on this plastic paper. And then you have the 4 sets of laces as well that this thing comes with. So I honestly, if I was going to switch them up, I don't know which ones I do. I might do the baby blue and the orange. I just love the orange laces personally. Anyways, that is the other pickup that I ended up getting. Talk about a major come up from ComplexCon. I still can't believe that I ended up getting these. Like, just insane to get them for retail. And I feel like crappy because I am selling them. And if you guys didn't know, my other off-whites that I got back there, the Vapor Max, like I got those for retail back in the day and actually scored 2 pairs of them. And I hooked up another YouTuber with a pair of those for retail. I would love to be able to do the same on this one, but I just can't do that considering I just spent so much on these ones. I have to be able to recuperate from this one. Otherwise the wife would hang me. So that is the pickups. Thank you again to Hibbett Sports for sending over the Foamposite Trio, and then the Laker colorway of the 312s again. Awesome gift as well. But that is what we have for this video, man. I just cannot believe my luck in the last couple weeks. Lately, if you guys pay attention to the channel, obviously I just don't get a ton of super hyped up limited things like ever. I always just get just some random stuff that I personally like. And there are personal things that I like of the limited stuff out there that I just can't get my hands on. So this for me is like a mega come up in like a week. So I always love to be able to see something like this happen. But anyways, that is the video. Subscribe if you guys are new to the channel. Notification bell to be notified of when my videos go live. Link in the description to Hibbett Sports to go check them out. And if you guys want to see what these are going for on StockX, I'll post them as well for you guys. But thank you again for stopping by and watching. We will catch you guys for some more sneaker videos very soon. Peace, guys.